The new limited time free assets are out. So just head over to fab.com, click explore now. You'll see the limited time over here. And we have the old office, which is modular Japanese architecture, and the Newtonian falling and momentum damage system. So in order to claim these, I'm just going to add these to cart. And then with the cart selected, I'm just going to hit checkout. I'll go ahead and click place order. And now I've got my email receipt of my free assets. Now I'm going to head over to my Unreal launcher, spam refresh on my FAB library. I'll actually start a new level to just import these and go over these with you guys. Just going to go ahead and call this free assets and hit create as a third person blueprint project. So I'm importing the assets. It just keeps saying there were issues with the import. I'm going to try to restart this and see if it works. First, let's go over the modular Japanese architecture pack. So upon opening the level, you'll see quite a few buildings. They'll have individual pieces all set up nicely for you. They'll already have these pre-assembled housings that are all individually pieced together. Very modular, pretty nice looking. And they come with a wide variety of different materials, colors, styles. So as you can see, it comes with this kind of like see-through type of texture, like paper wall type stuff. And then along with this really long tower looking asset. And if you just head over to the meshes, you'll see quite a lot of these base parts. So in total of 186. And then you'll have these kind of interior design stuff and a lot of roofing coming in different colors. And now let's go over the old office, which is also modular. So upon opening the project, I am opening this in Unreal 5.5.1. So maybe that's why I'm getting errors in all these assets. But you can see there's some pretty nice lighting. Kind of looks like a horror themed asset environment in my opinion. I'm not sure if it's really meant to be like that. Probably just something more old school. And it seems like this is the entire level. So it's pretty much just everything you see here. All these pieces are individually placed one at a time, like so. And now last but not least, let's go over the Newtonian falling and momentum damage system. So this one has some good reviews, so I'm actually excited to try this one out. All right, so this is the Newtonian level. So let's go ahead and try this out. So this is just a simple area to test out the falling damage system with and without water. So I'm going to go ahead and jump in the water, and you'll see my character kind of floats to the top. Not going to take any damage there, as you can see in my health bar, like so. Oh, so I accidentally took falling damage, which is great. And my character is actually pretty floaty, but so press E to change simple damage mode and momentum based. All right, so I pressed E, but I'm actually not sure if anything changed. So let's go ahead and try this out. So now from here, I'll jump into the water and my character is actually dead, I think. Yeah, because I lost all my HP when I changed it to, oh, okay. So when I jump in momentum base, I take damage anyways. Whereas if I hit E again, I don't take damage. Okay, so that makes some sense. So yeah, let's go ahead and test this out. Boom, took damage, I'm dead. And full HP to retest. And if I click E to go into a different damage system, I'll take damage like so. And yeah, that pretty much covers it for the tutorial. Thanks for watching. These are the free assets for 2 weeks. You pretty much have the rest of this year to grab these. Thanks for watching Cards Row. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.